Ever wondered if you could streamline your entire finance team's workload into one magical platform? A platform that not only tracks expenses but also handles payroll? Well, hold your horses, because today, we're diving deep into the world of Expensify, and we're asking the burning question, does Expensify do payroll? Expensify, for those unfamiliar, is a popular expense management tool that automates the process of submitting, approving, and reimbursing expenses. It's a lifesaver for businesses of all sizes, simplifying a task that often becomes a bureaucratic nightmare. But, does it go beyond expenses? Can it handle the complexities of payroll? While Expensify is a powerful tool, its primary focus is on expense management. It excels at automating expense reports, integrating with various accounting software, and providing real-time insights into spending habits. However, payroll, with its intricate tax calculations, direct deposit setups, and compliance requirements, is a different beast altogether. Why not? You might wonder why Expensify hasn't ventured into the payroll realm. The answer lies in the sheer complexity of payroll. It's a highly regulated industry with constantly changing tax laws and regulations. To do it right, a company needs dedicated payroll experts, robust software infrastructure, and a deep understanding of employment laws. So, what are your options? If you're looking for a comprehensive solution that handles both expenses and payroll, you'll need to consider a more specialized payroll software. These tools are designed to handle the intricacies of payroll, including tax calculations, accurately calculating federal, state, and local taxes. Direct deposit, ensuring timely and secure payment to employees. Compliance, staying up to date with ever-changing labor laws. Reporting, generating detailed reports for tax purposes and internal analysis. Popular payroll software options. Here are a few popular payroll software options that you might want to explore. ADP, a well-established player in the HR and payroll industry, offering a wide range of solutions. Paychex, another industry leader, providing comprehensive payroll services. Gusto, a modern, cloud-based payroll solution that's easy to use and affordable. Intuit QuickBooks, a popular accounting software that also offers payroll services. While Expensify is a fantastic tool for expense management, it doesn't extend to payroll. For a comprehensive solution, you'll need to combine Expensify with a dedicated payroll software. By doing so, you can streamline your entire finance operations and focus on what truly matters, growing your business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.